Best practices for Afterpay Developer API is crucial for a seamless integration and to ensure a smooth customer experience. To begin with, it is essential to understand the basics of the Afterpay API, which enables merchants to offer Afterpay as a payment option to their customers. First, you need to register for an Afterpay developer account and obtain the necessary API keys and credentials. It is vital to keep these credentials secure and never expose them in your code. Next, you should familiarize yourself with the Afterpay API endpoints, which include authentication, payment, and order management. The API uses standard HTTP methods such as GET, POST, and PUT, and it returns responses in JSON format. When integrating the Afterpay API, it is crucial to handle errors and exceptions properly. This includes validating user input, handling network errors, and displaying error messages to the customer. Another best practice is to implement tokenization, which enables you to store sensitive payment information securely. This reduces the risk of data breaches and ensures compliance with payment card industry standards. In terms of security, it is essential to use HTTPS for all API requests and to validate the SSL certificate of the Afterpay API server. You should also ensure that your server and client-side code are up to date with the latest security patches. Additionally, you should test your integration thoroughly to ensure that it works as expected. This includes testing different payment scenarios, handling edge cases, and verifying that the customer experience is seamless. Finally, it is vital to stay up to date with the latest changes to the Afterpay API and to monitor your integration regularly for any issues or errors. By following these best practices, you can ensure a successful integration of the Afterpay Developer API and provide a smooth payment experience for your customers. Some key concepts to keep in mind include authentication, payment tokenization, and error handling. By understanding these concepts and following the best practices outlined, you can create a secure and reliable payment integration that meets the needs of your customers. In conclusion, integrating the Afterpay Developer API requires careful planning, attention to detail, and a focus on security and customer experience. By following these best practices and staying up to date with the latest changes, you can create a seamless payment experience that drives sales and customer satisfaction.